Yo, what's going on everyone? I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the video blog. On today's video, we're going to be installing a remote start for a Toyota Tacoma. We have Frank visiting from Mexico, my compita. He's going to try his hand at taillight tinting. Yeah. Mucho gracias, Frank, my compita, for helping us out with the taillight tinting. He did a marvelous job. But now we're moving on to the Toyota Tacoma, and we're going to do the remote start. Very interesting facts when you Google or you search on the newer models of Tacoma, that supposedly in 2019 and newer, you were supposed to have already a built-in remote start. And some people say you click the lock button 3 times, some say up to 5 times, and then you hold it and it's supposed to start the truck. So we've did a different number of combinations, 3, 4, 5, and it just doesn't work on this truck, as we demonstrate here. And nothing happens. So we're going to go ahead and put in a remote start, and Daniel, my compita, is going to help us out. Yeah. Take it away, Daniel.
Let's get to work. Okay, let's try not to break anything.
Well, that's always important.
So according to this, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver.
Okay.
And then a 10 millimeter socket.
Okay.
And wrench.
Okay. Here's your little controller.
Okay. We're gonna need to start the engine. Turn the steering wheel 90 degrees so we can see or get access to the screws that are on the cover. It's supposed to just pop right off. And if I break it, it's gonna be on camera. Oh, there it goes. Now we need to remove the kick panel. The kick panel on the driver's side. There's a 10 millimeter socket that you need to remove. It's only a plastic socket. Okay. Once you have that off, okay.
Awesome.
You don't want to lose it.
So take the black connector, black connector. On the bottom right of the steering column and disconnect it.
So we have to look for the black connector, which is silver box. Oh, okay. So that's for the alarm. So we have to get it through here. If I'm not mistaken, this is part of the alarm system. That's one. Okay, so that's taken care of. Do you have zip ties?
Yeah, I have the variety pack. Yeah.
Oh, okay. This one went down. Please. Okay. All right. And I found the VCM. We have to take this off. Okay. I'm gonna route the wires in a place where they don't block anything. All right. Have to put everything back together. So we're gonna have to try to get these wires over to the other side. This is one of the steps. Okay, just pull. Okay. We'll take this off. We have more parts
Do we have more parts?
in the kit,
Well,
like
we
electrical
got this.
terminals. Can we see that, please? Okay, okay.
The light bulb
really
went off.
don't know what I'm doing. See, according to this, it doesn't matter which one was which. That's it. That's it. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now it's back to the driver's side. We can secure the mount. We're done.
That's it?
Is the battery disconnected?
Yep.
According to the instructions, not all the connectors are going to be used, because you can add more stuff to this.
I think that would be a great hookup. Foot and back massager as you travel. Now you're riding in comfort, man.
Connector data link to the module. Power connector. Huh. Okay. So, okay, that's it. And then we're gonna get a sequence of our flashing lights. You're supposed to stop on the blue lights. I think that's gonna be good. Where's the controller for this?
The
Or
controller
is it
for
using
what?
the same
I believe it's using the smart key.
smart key? Really?
Yep.
We're supposed
use
to
the smart
press
key.
this twice and wait for the blue light to turn on. And once it does, it's supposed to be paired to the vehicle.
Okay,
That's
there
it.
we- All right.
That's good. The pairing is complete.
I hear flashing.
Okay. And I think we're done, my amigos.
All right. You're going to do the honors?
I'd love to. So you're supposed to press the lock button how many times?
I think it's between 3 and 5.
What was that? We got it to work.
How long did you have to wait?
Huh?
It took a while, didn't it?
It took a while, like 10 seconds.
It's about 10 seconds, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
What do I do?
Okay, so now,
So it's supposed to turn off as you open the door?
yeah. When you open the door, it's supposed to turn off.
Okay.
So
Try again.
how many did you do?
What do you mean?
How many
3 times.
blocks? 3?
Uh-huh.
And then you held on the third?
You have to hold it until the lights start flashing, and then you can let go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
That's it. It's amazing how you can do so many things without knowing what you're doing.
Right?
Okay, let's put everything back together and call it a day.
Want to make sure we get that Subaru logo right there. Everyone can see it. And the nice clean Toyota truck. She's all done. All right, so we're gonna wrap up for the day. We did the remote install on this 2020 Tacoma, and we had the great assistance of Daniel to help us.
Thank you for that.
What was your experience in putting this in? Think it was pretty easy?
It
Pretty
was
simple?
super easy. If you read the instructions, it's super easy to do. Pretty straightforward.
So the key work was reading the instructions?
Yeah, always.
Oh,
When you're doing electrical stuff, you should always read the instructions.
okay. What's so like the Backyard Dude, we don't read instructions, we just go for it. So you changed the whole philosophy of this channel in this one
I'm used to
video.
it. I'm used to it.
All right, that's going to be a wrap for the video. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, right. Hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeet.